Ram Narayan Ram. Religion is neither a personal right nor the property of anyone. Religion is equal and the same for everyone. Religion and politics are like two sides of the same coin. If we remove either religion or politics, it would be like a dish without salt. We must be highly aware of religion. The core principle of religion is that we must act according to our conscience, keeping ourselves simple and natural, just like water and air are simple and accessible. We can use water and air as per our need and let go when we don't need them. In the same way, our behavior should reflect simplicity. Religion should always be the same for everyone. Those who have turned religion into a business need to be recognized and boycotted. The essence of religion. Religion is not limited to idol worship or casteism. It doesn't mean being Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, or Christian. Just as we cannot divide water, sunlight, or air, religion, too, cannot be divided. Religion is universal and indivisible. If humanity abandons religion, what remains of our existence? Our true religion is our body, made of the 5 fundamental elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Our entire being is a creation of these elements. These same elements give us energy, wisdom, and intellect, guiding us toward understanding the essence of life and how to live it meaningfully. Breaking the barriers of caste and religion. Society has divided this earth into parts in the name of caste and religion. If this continues, the world will soon become a battleground of enemies. Instead of sowing seeds of hatred, we must spread messages of love and unity. India possesses spiritual power that can unite everyone, but this requires self-awareness and listening to our inner voice. We must not forget that we all are made of the same 5 elements, sharing the same heart and mind. However, it depends on us whether we fill our hearts and minds with positivity or negativity, goodwill or malice. Challenges of casteism and religious discrimination in India. Caste and religion have been long-standing issues in India, dividing society into groups and causing discrimination. These practices not only go against humanity, but also hinder social progress. Caste and religion should never be tools for division or hatred. They have become reasons for social inequality and conflict. A call for change. The time has come to eliminate these discriminations and create a society that is egalitarian, secular, and progressive. This can only happen if we listen to our conscience, connect with nature, and regularly chant Ram Narayan Ram. Nature is the greatest religion, and everyone must strive to understand it. The power of Ram Narayan Ram. When an individual connects with Ram Narayan Ram, their life becomes more balanced and stable. It teaches us to keep our thoughts positive, perform good deeds, and work for the welfare of others. Through Ram Narayan Ram, efforts are constantly made to eliminate the negative energy that plagues society. By embracing positivity, connecting with nature, and chanting Ram Narayan Ram, we can transform not only our lives but also society as a whole, fostering harmony and progress for everyone.